Hello, this is Edna White. I am one of the facilitators with the Shift program, and we've got some great things going on coming next workshop. You ask, what are you going to add? I'm adding diversity and inclusion. And you ask me, what does diversity and inclusion have to do with me being a startup, being an entrepreneur, or in my small business? Listen, if you're serious about diversity and inclusion in your business, in your startup, in your entrepreneurship, you must always hire diverse directors and seek diverse advisory board members and employees. Companies with diverse management teams achieve 19% higher revenue from innovation. This is all about moving from intention to action. So I'll see you in the next Shift program. Bye for now.